children, how are you? This is your social teacher of 4th class. Children, in previous class we have learned first lesson. What is our first lesson? Our beautiful country. Today we are going to second lesson, the Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains, part 1. Children, first you look your book. This is the 4th class social studies book. Children, must and should be you purchase your books from Versatile High School. If you not have books, you can't understand that what are the teachers are explaining in that class. Children, now we are going to that first lesson of social studies of 4th class. The Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains. See in your textbook, page number 13, children. So, in this lesson, we learn about that the Himalayan mountain ranges. Himalayan mountain ranges. So, our map has how many directions? 4 directions. Our map has how many directions? 4 directions. What are the directions? How can you write as the directions? See that this is our map. You draw that 4 symbols. North, south. North opposite, what is that? South. Our right is west. Our left is east. So, these are the directions of map. North, south, west, east. So, where is the Northern Mountains? Northern Mountain means north side. Already you know that northern part is covered, north and northeast covered Himalayan ranges. What is that? Himalayan mountain ranges. Now we are learn about that where is the Himalayan mountain ranges, what are the crops or cultivation on that places, and which states are including in that Himalayan mountain ranges, and how much part is covered with Himalayan mountain ranges, and what are the peoples are dress code in there. So now see in your textbook page number 13. The Northern mountain include the Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges. Here Northern Himalayan mountains are what is that? Himalayas and that Karakoram. So these two are that mountain ranges including on that Northern mountain ranges. What are the two mountains? Himalayas and Karakoram mountains are including in that Northern mountains. And Himalayas mean, what is the meaning of Himalayas? What is the meaning of Himalayas? We know that Himalayan mountains are covered on the north and northeast part. So here what is the meaning of Himalayas? Here Himalayas means abode of snow. What is that? Abode of snow. Abode of snow. That means totally covered with snow, ice part. So here the northern mountains are contain 2 mountains. What are that? Himalayas and that Karakoram. Here Himalayas meaning are that abode of snow. What is that? Abode of snow. It is the highest mountain range in the world. What is that? Highest mountain range in that world. Which one? Himalayas. And it lies in that north and which one? Which parts are? Which directions? North and north and east. North and east are covered on that areas of our India. It extends from, in the north side state is Jammu and Kashmir, and east side is what What is that? Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. So which states are having that Himalayan mountains? In the north side Jammu Kashmir 2 and Arunachal Pradesh, these are the east. This state is in east. This area is covered with Himalayas. And next it covers distance about, what is the distance about here? 2500 kilometers. 2500 kilometers cover the area of Himalayan mountains in our state. And it covers the distance about 2500 kilometers. And its width wise varies between 150 and 400 kilometers. Totally covered the area of Himalayan mountains distance is 2500 kilometers and its width varies 150 and to 400 kilometers. And see the second paragraph. Himalaya contains some of the highest peaks of the world. They remain covered with snow throughout the year. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in that world, lies in the Himalayas. It is 8,848 meters high. It is in Nepal. Northeastern part having with Nepal. And see that Himalaya contains the highest peaks in the world. They remain covered with only snow. Totally Himalayas are covered with one snow. Already you know that. What is the meaning of Himalaya? Here Himalaya means what is that? Abode of snow. Total covered with part of snow. And Mount Everest. Which one? Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is that highest mountain peak. This is the peak. Peak means highest mountain peak. So Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in that world. It lies in the Himalayas. That means in Himalayan mountains, one of the peak is there. Which one? So many peaks are there, but Mount Everest peak is the highest in that world. You know that what is the height of this one? 8,848 meters high. It is in, where is that? It is in Nepal. Where is that? Nepal. Again children listen carefully. Here Himalayan mountains are very highest peaks, having with the very highest peak. But Mount Everest peak is the highest in that world, and its height is 8,848 meters. And it is in where? Where is it? Is in Nepal. Where is that one? Nepal. Now we are going to the another one. So once again see the children, Himalayan mountain ranges are covered with Himalayas and Karakoram mountains. But Himalayas means here abode of snow. That means totally covered on that snow. And here covered with Jammu and Kashmir is to north, and that in the west east Arunachal Pradesh. Totally covered. But Himalayan mountains are totally having with highest peaks. In this one, Mount Everest peak is the highest peak in the world, and it distance, that means the distance 2,500 kilometers of Himalayas, and wide is 150 and 400 kilometers. And Mount Everest peak is the highest peak in the world. Its height is 8,848 meters. It is in Nepal. Now we are going to the another part. See the children? Sir Edmund Hillary. What is the name of that one? Sir Edmund Hillary. Sir Edmund Hillary is in New Zealand. New Zealand. And that another person is Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay is in Nepal. So, highest mountain peak we know that Mount Everest. So, here listen the third paragraph. Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay of Nepal were the first to climb Mount Everest in 1953. The first Indian woman to conquer Mount Everest, Bachindra Pal, climbed this peak in 1984. Which is that Indian woman here? Bachindra Pal. Bachendri Pal. She is our Indian. In which year? 1984. But these both are climbed to 1953. See that one? So, see in your textbook page number 13. Here, Edmund Hillary. Who is that one? Edmund Hillary. He is of New Zealand person. And Tenzing Norgay. He is in Nepal. That means Nepal. He is of Nepal and he is in New Zealand. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay are that both are climbed the Mount Everest in the year of 1953. These are the first two persons. Who climbed the Mount Everest in the first. Sir Edmund Hillary. He is of New Zealand. And Tenzing Norgay. He is of Nepal. They are both climbed the first to Mount Everest in the year of 1953. Which year? 1953. Our Indian woman. Who is that? Our Indian woman. See in the textbook page number 13. See that? Bachendri Pal. Who is that? Bachendri Pal. See the picture of Bachendri Pal. He is our Indian. So, she is climbed the mountain Everest peak in the year of 1984. Our Indian woman, who is that Bachendri Pal, in 1984, she climbed the Mount Everest in the year of 1984. Children, are you understood? Now, we are going to the next part. See that Himalayan mountains consist of three parallel ranges. So here the first one is the Great Himalaya. And the second one is the Middle Himalaya. And the third one is the Lesser Himalaya. Once see the children, the Himalayan mountains consist of three parallel ranges. That means total Himalayan mountains are dividing three parallel ranges. So what are the first one? The the great Himalaya. This is in Himadri. Which one? Himadri. And that the middle Himalaya is in Himachal. Himachal. And the lesser Himalaya is in Shivalik. Shivalik. Children, once again see that these are the three parallel ranges in Himalayan mountain ranges. What are the three one? The great Himalaya, the middle Himalaya, the lesser Himalaya. So the great Himalaya is in Himadri, the middle Himalaya in Himachal, the lesser Himalaya in Shivalik. Children, today we are discussing about that where is the Himalayan mountains ranges. Only we are learning. Now tomorrow, today not, tomorrow we are learning about that what is the discussing about that the great Himalaya, the middle Himalaya, the lesser Himalaya. Children, must and should be you read that lesson. Then you understood that what the teachers are explaining in that classes. Children, first page 13 and the second page 14. You must read yourself only. Tomorrow we are discussing about that what is the three parallel ranges are in Himalayan mountains. The three ranges are greater Himalaya in Himadri, middle Himalaya in Himachal, the lesser Himalaya in Shivalik. Thank you children. Have a nice day.